The Chinese robotics market is developing more than rapidly. The country has been the world's largest consumer of industrial robots for 8 years in a row, and every year it is increasing the production of its own. There were many industrial and medical robots, robots for logistics, agriculture and construction at the exhibition. One of the brightest booths is with X-Robots, which is a leader in the research and development of intelligent humanoid robots in China, and also maintains a leading position in the world in the production of bionic skin and the ability to mass-produce bionic robots. The company combined humanoid robots and meta-universe technology to create the Science and Technology Museum of the Future project. They brought to the exhibition humanoid robots resembling the scientist Albert Einstein and Taiwanese pop singer Teresa Tenney, as well as sympathetic robot and robot avatar. Not Our method of creating robots has been around for over 10 years. Humanoid robots, a special kind of product. The degree of complexity of the technique of their production is the highest, because I want to make robots even more like people. What for? To allow them to better integrate into our human society so that they can replace the human at work. The most interesting exhibit is X-Robots. Became a robot avatar, copying one of the employees of the company. He uses a camera to analyze the movements and facial expressions of a person and repeats them. Another robot, according to the developers, is designed to understand human emotions and respond accordingly. Anthropomorphic robots have up to 140 degrees of freedom throughout the body and are equipped with an independently developed ROS operating system. The torsos and limbs of the robots are controlled by dozens of flexible drives, which makes their movements and facial expressions more realistic. Chinese humanoid developer for their service robots and facial recognition systems. Cloud Mice Technologies brought PX1, which entertained the visitors of the exhibition with dances. The robot can move smoothly thanks to 34 smart, flexible joints in the neck and shoulders. Elbows, wrists, hands, waist and knees, equipped with several 2D and 3D cameras, leader ultrasound sensors, microphones, tricycle landing gear and universal wheels. Cloud Ginger can also sing autonomously, move around and avoid obstacles. The graceful humanoid robot, 158 centimeters tall and weighing 65 kilograms, has a rather attractive appearance, thanks to which it won the China Prize in 2020. Star Design and Word Robot can listen, speak and see and move, and its scope is extensive from education and care for the elderly to service in hotels, business centers, participation in advertising and promotion in mass promotions and entertainment shows. In June, 3 Robotics presented several models of robodogs at the exhibition at once and opened the exhibition with a grandiose dance show of 100 dogs. The company also specializes in creating cloud systems and remote control terminals for smart robots, various programs and platforms for training in the development of artificial intelligence and cloud security. We are Unitri company from Hangzhou. Almost 6 years have passed since our foundation. We have an extremely diverse product line. There are small, medium and large dogs, and all have different uses. Take for example, a small dog is used for research, education, entertainment and accompaniment. They can be repeat dogs or keep lonely elderly people company and guard them. Medium-large dogs are mainly used for patrols and inspections in petrochemical plants and power plants. Gaowen robots went on sale only a year ago, and the company has already been able to sell about 10,000 copies. Of these, about 1,000 in Russia through local distributors. It is worth noting that, so far, the only Chinese manufacturer of robots has received European and North American, Japanese, and other quality certificates. All robots of the company can be equipped with additional equipment, including a manipulator. Underwater biotic robot revealed China developed an underwater intelligent mechanical robot. Is mainly used to popularize the scientific achievements presented at the exhibition. Made in the form, no doubt, porpoise. There are 2 variations with a length of 1.2 meters and 0.5 meters on a single charge. Such robots can work for 8 and 4 o'clock, respectively. Beijing Polytechnic University showed off its developments, including a bionic arm, a jumping dog robot and an anthropomorphic robot that, according to the creators, can run at a maximum speed of 710 km per hour, jump 1.06 meters long and 53 meters high. Centimeters. The direct drive company brought to the exhibition a mobile two-wheeled robot Diablo on direct drive engines. Diablo combines the characteristics of a traditional wheeled and multi-legged robot. The legs of the bot can bend and straighten independently of each other. Thanks to its design, the robot weighing 23 kilograms can jump sideways to a height of up to 8 centimeters, and the maximum jump height in place reaches 14 centimeters. It maintains stability when overcoming obstacles 5 centimeters high. With 1 foot can overcome an obstacle 10 centimeters high. The robot is quite quiet. It can be used for patrolling in any conditions, supplemented with a camera. It also has good impact characteristics, and no matter how strong the collision is, the robot will remain stable. The Devil's maximum load can reach 100 kilograms bend, kick, and 4 with straight. Operating time without recharging for a clock. The cost is about $2,000. There were many industrial robots at the exhibition. Introduced an impressive new line for the production of automotive battery components, their batteries. It consists of 7 industrial robots and performs 10 technological processes. The line is equipped with a production management system to collect, store and monitor robot and production process data. A company specializing in the production of emergency robots at the conference, for the first time presented to the general public its latest reconnaissance robot. PCRS-120 is resistant to high temperatures and can withstand 10 minutes in an environment with temperatures up to 350 degrees Celsius. The robot, small and maneuverable impurities of 45 kilograms, is able to move at a maximum speed of 1.2 meters per second and work autonomously for 3 o'clock. The fire brigade at the scene of an emergency can be the first to launch a robot into the building to inspect the fire site, assess the degree of damage to the structure and the spread of flame, and also determine the vital signs of people inside. It is also suitable for toxic gas environments. The company is the first in the world to market a firefighter robot that can withstand temperatures of 1000 degrees Celsius for half an hour. The robot has been used by Chinese emergency services for several years now. A curious solution for logistics and warehouse showed a company that in 12 years managed to become one of the most advanced and technologically advanced Chinese companies in the service sector. It specializes in the delivery of prepared food, groceries, flowers and other goods, as well as provides services in the field of IT marketing, supply chain organization and financing. About 40 million people use the company's services every day. The conference presented smart solutions for sorting and delivery, including the company's independently developed unmanned vehicle courier of a new generation with a load capacity of 150 kilograms with a volume of 540 liters and the ability to cover 120 kilometers on city roads on a single charge. The company was the first in China to organize regular delivery by autonomous robots, which now operate in Beijing and Shenzhen. In general, unmanned couriers traveled 1,500,000 kilometers in 800 days and delivered 2,200,000 orders. Also at the company's stand is a 3D sorting system, which includes moving sorters of night robots in a system of racks with containers for distributing goods and an operating platform. The system can work in the set mode without interruptions. Even if there were interferences at the exhibition, kids constantly interfered with its work. At the same time, the rhythm of movement was not clogged. Another interesting exhibit at the premiere was an intelligent platform with 2 manipulators by a Beijing company, which is developing ultralight robotic manipulators. The robot presented at the exhibition is capable of performing assigned tasks independently with one hand and with 2 hands at the same time, as a person does. The bottom of the platform is equipped with a mobile robot that can move around and avoid obstacles. In addition, the robot is equipped with a voice module and technology, which gives it the ability to voice interaction and visual perception. Since 2015, the Beijing-based Robot++ has been producing special-purpose intelligent robots, including high-level robots. Of great work at this year's exhibition, they showed a new robot for removing ship rust from the new year with a built-in super high-pressure system for removing rust and cleaning the ship's hull. The device, weighing 90 kilograms and carrying capacity of 135 kilograms, creates water pressure. At 3000 bar, removes rust from 40 to 50 square meters per hour. The robot adapts well to curved surfaces and can be used for operations on more than 90% of the ship's hull plating. Medical technology. At this year's exhibition, increased attention was paid to. They showed several rehabilitation robots and a skeleton exoskeleton that helped Chinese Paralympic athletes participate in the Olympic torch relay at the Games in March this year. The company has set up robotic PCR test tents, which could be extremely relevant in China, where the population is still routinely tested several times a week. However, the technology is still imperfect, and the testing procedure is rather slow. The company at its stand presented a robotic surgical system, which was the first in China to undergo a special procedure for testing innovative medical equipment in its category. The system consists of a block with a control panel and a block with a robotic arm and an operating table. The surgeon operates, is at the console and remotely controls the high-resolution electronic endoscope and surgical instruments. So this is also our advantage. Now we perform many operations in the field of urology, gynecology, and general surgery. A number of surgeons are extremely positive about our equipment. Subscribe to the channel. Don't miss new releases from the world of high technologies.